Hi everyone, this is Professor Majumdar and you are watching ERUDIRE Plus, the professional CAD/CAM solution provider. Hello and welcome back to ERUDIRE Plus. In this video, we are going to talk about top 5 laptops for coders and programmers in 2023. As a programmer or coder, it is crucial to have a laptop that is powerful, fast and reliable. Therefore, while considering laptop for coders and programmers, we should consider a lot of factors such as processor, RAM, SSD capacity, display resolution, refresh rate, brightness and also battery life. We have done a lot of research and tested various laptops and narrowed down our list to 5 that we believe are the best for the coders and programmers. In our selection, we didn't provide any kind of ranking because all of the laptops are equally good. So without further ado, let's get started. The first one is Dell XPS 13 2023 edition. Dell XPS 13 is a great laptop for coders and programmers in 2023. It has the 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 4 cores and 8 threads. The laptop comes with a 13.3-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixel and a brightness of 500 nits. The display has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The laptop comes with a 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. And here in this case, RAM cannot be upgraded because 16GB is enough for coders and programmers. The laptop has a battery life of approximately 10 hours and the price of this one is actually rupees 56,990. The second one is Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon 2023 edition. This is another great option for coders and programmers and it is also having the same specifications like the previous one. It has an 11th generation i7 Intel Core processor with 4 cores and 8 threads. The laptop comes with 14-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixel and a brightness of 400 nits. The display has a refresh rate of 60 Hz because for programming and coding we don't require high refresh rate, those are required actually for gaming. The laptop comes with a 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD and the RAM can be upgraded to 32GB and it has an extended battery life of 16 hours and the price of this one is actually rupees 59,990. And the third one is HP Spectre 360 2023 edition. This HP Spectre 360 is a versatile laptop that can be used for programming and coding purpose. It has 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 4 cores and 8 threads. The laptop comes with 13.3-inch Full HD Plus display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200 pixel and a brightness of 400 nits. The display has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The laptop comes with 16GB RAM and 1TB SSD. That is very high enough. So we are having enough space for your programming and coding. It has a battery life of approximately 11 hours and the price of this one is rupees 59,990. Fourth one is ASUS ZenBook UX425 2023 edition. This one is actually a lightweight laptop which is great for programmers and coders. It is also having the same specification like the previous one. It has 11th generation Intel Core i7 processor with 4 cores and 8 threads. The laptop comes with a 14-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixel and a brightness of 400 nits. The display has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The laptop comes with 16GB RAM and 512GB SSD. And here in this case, the RAM cannot be upgraded because 16GB RAM is enough for coders and programmers. And this laptop has a battery life up to 13 hours. And the price of this one is actually rupees 54,990. And the last one is Acer Swift 5 2023 edition. And Acer Swift 5 is a budget-friendly laptop that is perfect for the coders and programmers. It has the 11th generation Intel Core i5 processor with 4 cores and 8 threads. The laptop comes with 14-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixel and a brightness of 300 nits. The display has a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The laptop comes with 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD and the RAM can be upgraded up to 16GB, which is enough for the coders and programmers. It has a battery life of 10 hours and the price of this one is rupees 49,990. So there you have it, top 5 laptops for programming and coding in 2023. Each of these laptops provide excellent performance, reliable battery life and also high quality display. Whether you are a professional developer or a student learning coding and programming, definitely these laptops will help you to get your work done perfectly. If you want to purchase these laptops, links are provided in the description box. Hope you have found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for further video, please let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next one.
If you like this video, please subscribe and share. And if you have any kind of doubts, please write to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you again. Bye.